Once upon a time, in a bustling town, lived a little girl named Tina Goldstein. Tina was known for her radiant smile and her love for nature. One day, she found a magical seed while playing in the park. She took the seed home and planted it in her backyard. Every day, she watered it with care, whispering words of love and encouragement. The seed slowly grew into a beautiful, shimmering tree. The tree was unlike any other. It bloomed with flowers that sparkled in the sunlight, and its leaves whispered secrets of the universe. Tina was amazed and delighted by her new friend. One night, Tina lay under the tree, gazing at the stars. Suddenly, the tree's branches began to glow, and a soft, gentle voice spoke, "I am the star tree, Tina. I have been sent to you to help you dream big." Tina was filled with wonder. The star tree told her stories of galaxies, planets, and stars. It taught her about the beauty of dreams and the power of believing. Tina's eyes sparkled with excitement as she listened. "Remember, Tina," the star tree said, "dreams are the seeds of the future. Plant them wisely and nurture them with love." From that day forward, Tina dreamed big dreams. She dreamed of exploring the universe, of helping others, and of making the world a better place. She knew that with the star tree's guidance, anything was possible. And so, Tina Goldstein continued to grow, just like the magical tree in her backyard. She lived a life filled with dreams, love, and the sparkle of the stars. The end.